Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to crypto updates. This is Jaru and I'm here to give you the daily cipher morse code for 13 June 2024 for the hamster Kombat project. So the word for today is game 5. It's game 5. Game 5. So the G is dash dot. So a single tap for a dot and then tap and hold for a dash. If you tap and hold for a while and then you release, it will be a dash. And then a single tap will be a dot. So let's go to the next one, which is A. The A is dot dash. And then the M is dash. And then the E is a single dot. And then the F is dot dash dot. And then the I is dot. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then follow us on all our platforms. Take the prize and enjoy your 1 million hamster coins. We will meet again at 7 to 8 p.m. for a new daily cipher, and then check our next video for the daily combo cast. Thank you very much.